What's up everybody, Brian with Soco Customs. Give this video a thumbs up, subscribe, share with your friends. You know the drill. Alright, I'm crouched down behind this truck right now because we got a pretty stiff wind coming out of the south, so I'm going to work with that, see if I can't keep you out of the wind a little bit. But if it gets blown out a little bit, my apologies. So this is a 2018 Chevy Silverado that we sent up 3.5 inches on the rough country kit, but I'll highlight something out back here. We went with the V2 shocks. So those are monotubes, basically they're Vertex, but without the remote reservoir on there, so just a little bit less fluid in that. But as you can see, higher end, we do have a video on what monotube shocks are. I will link that video in the top right corner. So now, these wheels are the Black Rhino Kelsos. They did these in the color of what they call Battleship Gray, so these are a 20 by 9.5. And then of course the Kenda Klever RTs, we did these in a 33-12-50. No trimming on this setup. Didn't have to pull any of this back up here. You can see that's all intact. I had that full crank and even going through some of the bumps in this field. Didn't rub at all, so you should be good there. Next up, this individual is going to paint a few pieces of this truck to match that Battleship Gray color that you see on the wheels. Pretty cool pattern he's got going there. But as you can see, color match grill, no chrome. We're getting rid of that little chrome piece down at the bottom. Z71 package, but I guess by the time we're done with it, that doesn't really matter a ton. All right, guys, Brian with Soco Customs. Thumbs up, subscribe, and we'll talk to you guys very soon.